Funnels can feel complicated and intimidating. But what if you could map one out in minutes instead of hours? Planning a funnel can be overwhelming, but AI simplifies it. This is the prompt I type. You can copy it if you want. In moments, ChatGPT provides a full funnel outline with everything from opt in to the final sale. You can see the flow, adjust details, and start visualizing your business structure in minutes. Of course, a plan alone isn't enough. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Over 5 beginner-friendly episodes, it guides you through implementing your funnel, creating content, and launching without getting stuck in tech or complicated systems. Plus, you also get bonuses like the secret no funnel method, showing you how to get your first customer without building a single website. Stop overthinking your sales funnel. Let AI map it out. Then use the AI Business Builder Challenge to turn it into a working business. All for $17, and the link is ready for you in the description.